I'm Paul Schaffert from Schaffert Mfg in Enola, Nebraska, and we manufacture planter attachments for different planters. We have a new planter attachment behind the 2100 series Case IH planters. We've had a lot of requests for putting fertilizer back there, and we had some tubes that come down behind the press wheel on the back of the planter, and it was putting it on top of the soil and not doing a good job of getting it incorporated into moist soil. Sometimes it was on residue, so we were losing some benefit of the nitrogen by putting it on residue. By adding these liquid fertilizer discs on that planter, what we've done is we're getting it into moist soil, so we get the full benefit out of the nitrogen that we're putting on. And then also we put our 4-inch chicken tracker on there, and that really does a good job because it's working in the 4-inch area that the covering discs work in, and instead of being out at the edge like running up on a ridge or on a curb with the tire, so it didn't compress. It used to not compress in this area like it should with the wider tire. So we built this, and that lets that compress in the same areas that the soil is being tilled in around the seed. We also have a fab bracket. It's a folding bracket, so you can twist this in or out. We can move it about 30 degrees in towards the disc or out. Let's say you got into some real heavy cover crops and things like that. A lot of times you need to pitch it out just a little bit. And in these new disc blades, we just come out with these. They're the STP disc blades, and they're doing an excellent job of cutting into that heavy residue and putting a good fertilizer into moist soil.